I have great news for you, and you. Guess what, guys? Chevron is giving out $50,000 grants. Yes, so if this is something you're interested in, don't even sleep on it. Keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So if you're new to this channel, go ahead and introduce yourself. In today's video, I'm talking about $50,000 that you're not paying back. Oh, and these grants, like I said, is powered by Chevron. Yeah, so this is a grant that you're not paying back. Unlike loans that you have to pay back and return with interest in most cases, this is a $50,000 grant powered by Chevron. If you want to find out how to apply for this grant, just keep on watching this video all the way till the end. If you're new here, introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you. I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your massive love and support. I see every single one of you and I appreciate you all from depths of my heart. God bless you. And if you're seeing this gorgeous hyper queen for the very first time, I know I'm hyper. So let me introduce myself while you guys introduce yourselves. You think I'll forget to introduce yourself in the comments if you're new to my channel. I'm building a community here. It's not just about you coming to watch my video and move on. No, I want to know you. I want to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? Who sent my video to you? How did you find my video? I want to know you. What's your name? What do you do? Where are you? How did you find my video? Let me know in the comments. So while you're introducing yourselves, let me also introduce myself as well. Let me do the needful by introducing myself as well. So my name is Mariam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, I share all things grants, free money, free money. I'm your grants queen, so don't even sleep on it. Yeah, so, and if you have not joined the family, what are you waiting for? Click on that subscribe button, like this video, give it a massive and huge thumbs up. It sounds really funny. Okay, so give it a thumbs up and like this video, and also do well to share with your village members. Yeah, so share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend that Chevron is giving out $50,000 grants, and I'm gonna be spilling the tea on how to apply. Yes, so come with me, guys. Let's go. Let's go, guys. Your grants queen is here. It's not just a title. They don't just call me the grants queen for anything. It is a promise. So if you're on the hunt for grants that can transform your life, you are in the right place. I am your grants queen, your go-to source for all things grants related, from the hottest opportunities to insider tips on securing that funding. Consider me your royal guide in the world of grants. Get ready to claim your crown of success. And in today's video, like I said, Chevron is giving away $50,000 grants, and here are the areas of interest. So Chevron's area of focus for community investments are health, education and training, and community capacity building, identified as programs that address a community's ability to build and sustain long-term economic development. Organizations must be a registered charitable organization or a registered non-profit organization, yes, or society. Yes, so you can apply for a grant request funding for your organization with a grant through their community investment program. Chevron's area of focus for community investments are people, prosperity and environment. Organizations must be a registered charitable organization or a registered non-profit society. Now, they consider requests that fall within their primary focus areas and are in geographical areas where they have a significant employee and business presence. Examples of qualified organizations and programs may include medical and health-based organizations, education providers, environmental and safety initiatives, and some cultural organizations, skills and trades training, youth leadership programs. Proposal will actually be evaluated on the following criteria: community need, yes, and impact. So if your organization makes a significant contribution to the well-being of the communities where they operate, in terms of sustainability, yes, if you have programs that offers measurable and meaningful long-term outcomes and alignment with the following Chevron policies. So as long as it's in alignment with the Chevron way, human rights policy, diversity and inclusion policy, indigenous relations policy, employee engagement, potential opportunities for Chevron employees and retirees to volunteer and contribute to their community, as well as innovation. So if you offer an innovative or growth mindset approach, for example, organizations and programs that would not qualify would include organizations that are discriminating on the basis of race, religion, gender, or sexual orientation, individuals, religious or sectarian organizations, political organizations or candidates advocacy, special interest or lobbying initiatives, fraternities or sororities, trips, tours or conferences, third-party fundraiser programs delivered solely to communities outside of the geographical areas that they operate. Guess what? I have done all the homework for you. All you need to do is head over to the link in my description. Just go ahead and apply. Click on the link, apply for the grant, because it is closing soon. So I have no control over when these grants actually close, but I am here to deliver the good news to your doorstep. So I hope with these 3 points of mine, I've been able to convince you and not confuse you that you can apply for this Chevron grants. And just so you know, if you are from any part of the world and you need grants for yourself, I have grants for, I have worldwide grants on this channel. I also have United States grants, I have Canada grants, I have UK grants, and I have African grants. If you're in Africa and you need grants for yourself, maybe if you're from Nigeria, Ghana, Botswana, Kenya, South Africa, anywhere in Africa at all, I am more than happy to share with you guys how to apply. The links to apply for these grants. And the good thing is some of these grants are actually on a rolling basis, which means they never expire. Even if you don't meet the cut for last quarter or last month or the last time it was run, you can always reapply for these grants in the next quarter. So don't worry about it. You can head over to my YouTube channel. Just type my name on YouTube. Go to YouTube, type Mariam Adepoju, go to my videos, click on videos, and start to watch all the videos and begin to apply for these grants as quickly as possible. As always, I am constantly doing researches for you guys. Last night I slept at 5 a.m. What am I saying? Today I slept at 5 a.m., which means I worked all night, pretty much, just so I can get, bring to you guys valuable information that will help you become a better version of yourself. If you have any question for me, please leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Please note there are no stupid questions on this channel. All your questions are valid. Ask me your questions. I'll be more than happy to support you, to help you in whichever regard I'm able to. And if you need me to do a research tailored to your specification, also leave it in the comments. Like I said, these are grants, they are not loans, and you don't have to pay back. Now, good thing is there is no application fee for this grant as well. Apply. Yes, go ahead and apply. Since you're not paying anyway, it doesn't hurt to apply. And please try to journal, write down all the grants that you've applied for. Write them down in a journal so that you are able to follow through. Just in case you get grants like me. When I won my first grant, I didn't even remember that I applied. But because I wrote it in the journal, I was able to track it. I was like, oh wow, I actually applied for these grants. Okay. So get a journal and just keep track of all the grants that you apply for. Please don't just apply for one grant and go to bed. You are not Beyonce. No, you cannot just apply for one grant and just no. Please go ahead and apply for multiple grants so that you stand the chance to win a lot of grants by applying for multiple grants. That way you stand a chance to win a grant. So you can't just apply for one grant because grants are actually competitive. They are highly competitive. So there is no guarantee that when you apply for these particular grants you will get it. So you have to apply for multiple grants so that you stand a chance to win grants. A lot of people apply for grants, so you need to understand that not everybody will get the grants, right? So it is highly competitive, and that's why I always implore you, turn on the notification bell. I will always give you constantly, I always share with you guys grants information on this channel. So go ahead and make sure that you join the family in case you have not. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I drop juicy grants videos. 3 grants videos every week. It's not beans of my. So go ahead and join the family in case you have not. Don't you like this girl that you're seeing? And also do well to share this video with your friends. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Go to my previous grants videos and start to apply for all the grants. And I also have lots and lots of juicy grants that I'm going to be sharing with you guys on this channel in my subsequent videos. Don't even sleep on it. I've always got you guys covered. Yes, if you have any question for me, leave it in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. If you need me to do a research tailored to your specification, share a grant research tailored to your specifications, let me know as well. I'm working for you guys day and night, so I've got you guys covered. Don't worry about it. I'm your girl Mariam, and I'm super happy to always bring to you guys great news like this. It's your favorite channel. I promise you this is going to be one of your best, one of the most resourceful channels that you'll ever find here on the streets of YouTube, because I'm constantly looking for grants resources for you guys. And yes, at this point I want to say a big thank you to all my Patreon members. Thank you guys. You guys are the best. Thank you for your love and your incredible support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the depths of my heart. If you want to be part of my Patreon community, you can find the link in the description as well as in the comments. If you join my Patreon community, do you know what? You can book a free consultation with me. Yes, it's one of the perks of joining my Patreon community. And that's not all. I share a lot of grants that don't even make it here to my YouTube channel. I share it on my Patreon community. So yes, there you have it, guys. If you have any question for me, leave it in the question. I'll be more than happy to respond to you. And in case anyone is doubting how far you can go, please just leave them behind. Go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. Yeah, and if no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you're sweet, you're gorgeous, and I'm super duper proud of you. Alright guys, take care of yourselves and go do exploits, and I will see you in my next video. Take care and bye for now. I love you.